Imagine the Hummer H2 coming back for 2026 with the same attitude that made it an American icon, but with modern technology, serious luxury, and enough road presence to make almost every other SUV look small. If GMC actually brings the H2 name back, this could be one of the most talked about SUVs of the year. The 2026 Hummer H2 would be expected to carry forward the unmistakable Hummer personality, a huge upright body, wide stance, squared off proportions, bold grille styling, and massive wheels. It would look less like an ordinary family SUV and more like a machine built to dominate the road. Signature lighting, rugged body details, high ground clearance, and a commanding driving position could give the H2 an instantly recognizable appearance. But the biggest transformation would be inside. Instead of the relatively basic cabin associated with older Hummers, a modern H2 could offer a premium interior packed with technology. Think large digital displays, high-quality materials, comfortable heated and ventilated seats, advanced climate controls, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a powerful premium audio system. With its enormous dimensions, passengers could also expect generous legroom and cargo space, making this giant SUV practical for road trips as well as daily driving. Technology could be another major highlight. A next-generation H2 would likely feature advanced driver assistance systems, a surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane assistance, and other modern safety features. A large infotainment screen could sit at the center of the dashboard, giving the cabin a futuristic feel while keeping important functions within easy reach. And then there is the performance. The original H2 became famous for its size and off-road character, so a 2026 version would have a lot to live up to. Depending on GMC's final powertrain strategy, the new H2 could potentially use a powerful gasoline engine, hybrid technology, or even an all-electric setup. Whatever sits underneath the hood, buyers would expect strong acceleration, serious towing capability, and impressive off-road hardware. For off-road enthusiasts, features such as selectable drive modes, advanced four-wheel drive, adjustable suspension, heavy-duty underbody protection, and high ground clearance could make the H2 far more capable than its enormous appearance suggests. It could be the kind of SUV that looks intimidating downtown and still feels at home on a rocky trail. Pricing would be one of the biggest questions. A modern H2 positioned above mainstream SUVs could easily enter the luxury SV price territory, especially with high-end equipment and advanced powertrain technology. The exact price would depend heavily on the engine, battery technology, trim level, and features GMC ultimately chooses. The real question is simple. Would you actually buy a 2026 Hummer H2 if GMC brought this legendary SUV back? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future car updates, reveals, and automotive news.
With only hearts in this house.